Have you ever looked at a map and wondered what secrets it holds? Malaysia is a country like that. It's a land of deep jungles, sparkling blue seas, and hidden wonders. But beyond the travel brochures lies a Malaysia few have seen, a place of mystery and magic. Imagine walking through ancient forests where the trees whisper old tales. Picture diving into crystal waters, discovering forgotten relics on the seabed. Think of islands that glow at night, lit by nature's own magic. These are not fairy tales, they're real, and they're waiting to be discovered. Our adventure begins deep in the jungle, far from the city's noise. Here, people live in harmony with nature, their lives woven into the rainforest. We'll hear their stories, learn their customs, and see the world through their eyes. Their connection to the land is powerful, a reminder of wisdom and respect for nature. From the jungle, we'll follow rivers that hide ancient relics and seas that guard lost treasures. Each discovery is a piece of history, a puzzle from the past. And finally, we'll sail to glowing islands where nature puts on a show like no other. So get ready, our journey into the secret heart of Malaysia is about to begin. This is Unreal Malaysia. Let's dive in. Deep in Borneo's rainforests live the Penan, one of Malaysia's hidden tribes. For centuries, the Penan have moved through the jungle, building simple shelters from leaves and branches. The forest gives them everything: food, water, medicine, and shelter. They know the jungle's secrets, reading its signs like a book. The Penan believe the forest has a spirit, and they take only what they need, ensuring its survival for generations. Their blowpipes and silent movements show a life in perfect balance with nature. The Batek people in Taman Negara are also nomadic hunter-gatherers, celebrating the durian season and believing in a world filled with spirits. Their shamans seek guidance and healing from these spirits, keeping ancient traditions alive. Life isn't always easy as the modern world encroaches, but these tribes hold on to their culture with pride. Their stories, music, and art are filled with the spirit of the jungle. Spending time with them is a glimpse into a different way of being, one deeply connected to the earth. They are a living part of Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. Malaysia's tribes are living libraries, their traditions connecting them to the past. The Iban of Sarawak, once fierce warriors, now live in longhouses, entire villages under one roof. Life here is about community, shared stories, and belonging. Their epic poems, called Pengap, and intricate tattoos tell stories of bravery and spiritual power. The Rungus people of northern Borneo are known for their beadwork, each color and pattern a story about nature and belief. For the Rungus, beadwork is a language, passed from mother to daughter. These traditions aren't relics, they're alive, shaping daily life. From Penan blowpipes to Iban longhouses and Rungus beads, these practices show resilience and creativity. They are the heart and soul of Malaysia's hidden tribes. These are whispers from the forest floor, ancient stories of connection, community, and history. They make Malaysia truly special. Malaysia's rivers are more than waterways, they're keepers of ancient secrets. In places like the Tembeling River, archaeologists have found stone tools, pottery, and human remains. These discoveries reveal how early people lived, hunted, and traveled. Rivers were their highways and sacred places, connecting them to the land and each other. At Guacha Cave, a skeleton from thousands of years ago was found, buried with tools, evidence of beliefs about death and the afterlife. The river nearby was likely central to their spiritual life. Exploring these rivers is an adventure. Sometimes you find a piece of history waiting to be uncovered. Each relic is a message from the past, connecting us to those who came before. The rivers flow silently through time, carrying the stories of Malaysia's ancient peoples. They remind us that the land remembers. Malaysia's seas are underwater museums, hiding shipwrecks and treasures from centuries past. The South China Sea and Strait of Malacca were once bustling trade routes, but storms and pirates sent many ships to the ocean floor. Today, divers discover shipwrecks covered in coral, filled with porcelain, cannons, and glass beads. Each artifact tells a story of trade, adventure, and lost worlds. The Diana shipwreck, found in the Strait of Malacca, revealed over 24,000 pieces of Chinese porcelain, an incredible window into 19th century trade. These treasures are protected, studied, and displayed in museums for all to see. Diving these wrecks is like floating above history, feeling the weight of centuries in the silence below. They remind us of the brave sailors and the rich history beneath the waves. Malaysia's underwater heritage is a vital link to its past. The sea holds stories waiting to be discovered. Each dive is a step back in time. Now we journey to islands that glow with nature's magic. Pulau Sembilan, off Perak's coast, looks ordinary by day, but at night the water sparkles with blue light. This glow comes from bioluminescent phytoplankton, tiny algae that flash when disturbed. When millions light up, it's as if stars have fallen into the sea. The phenomenon, called blue tears, is breathtaking and surreal. Near Miri and Sarawak, you can watch the water light up behind your boat or on your hand. It's an interactive, unforgettable experience, touching light made by nature. Scientists think the glow scares away predators, a tiny, brilliant defense. These glowing islands are fragile, depending on clean water and healthy ecosystems. Seeing them is a reminder of our responsibility to protect these wonders. The blue tears are one of Malaysia's most enchanting secrets. They're a perfect ending to our adventure. Nature's magic right before your eyes. Our journey through unreal Malaysia has revealed a world of hidden wonders. We've met tribes deeply connected to nature, heard stories from the past, and seen treasures beneath rivers and seas. The glowing islands remind us that magic still exists in the world, if we know where to look. Malaysia's secrets are more than history. They're living, breathing marvels. From ancient traditions to sunken relics, every discovery adds to the country's rich tapestry. This is a land that rewards curiosity and adventure. The stories we've explored are just the beginning. There's so much more to find. If you look beyond the obvious, you'll discover a world more magical than you ever imagined. Malaysia's secrets are out there waiting for you. The adventure never ends.